Okay guys, guess what just come from Amazon? Well, actually yesterday. Pennsylvania Family's Grocery Market. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I've been waiting for this for such a long time and it's time to unbox it. So on the outside of the box it says Grocery Market and all of the things you can do with it. Right. So cool. Let's check the side of the box. So here on the side of the box, we got the groceries and everything that you can do with it. Ooh, there's also one of these stands you can get for this, a fruit wagon, which I think. Let's open it. Press it. Sad. Really sad. And ooh, first when we open this, we got an instruction sheet. Ooh, it's here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at these random boxes. Oh my gosh. I think this is where all of the miniatures are inside. Here's the grocery market. And the plank. And here we should have the stickers. Ooh, love the style. Ooh, oh my gosh. You guys, these are so small. Like, just look at this. How small these things are. They're so small. And the egg cartons. Oh my gosh. And here we got all the other items. We got the grocery market stand, the grocery stand, and the cash register. Oh my gosh. It's realistic. Okay. And we got the things for the supermarket. And the cute little shopping basket. And we got, what's this? Okay, we'll open that. But, oh my gosh, this bag is really good quality. You can barely squish it. Look, it kind of matches my other bags. I'm going to use, can you put this on top? Like, I want to see. It fits! Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Okay. It will open. Okay. Which I'm going to put together soon. Oh. And assemble the grocery market, which looks awesome. Okay, so first we want to do is take out this tag right here, whatever this is. Oh, the doors are cute. And they open so easily. Awesome. Okay, so you can do this however you want. So how do you do this? These lines, it will make like a front area, which you can kind of make as a restaurant if you want. But if you keep it this way, you can make it into our grocery market. So let's assemble this inside. Okay guys, so I assembled it. It was pretty hard when you do it like this, but when you creep it like this, it's really easy. So keep that in mind. It's more detailed. Oh, now this one. It's just so cute. Okay, let's open it. How do you open this? Okay, so let's just dump these out. Oh my gosh, but this carton's cute. Wait, what's this? What is that? That little thing. Wait, apples, which are absolutely adorable. The tomatoes. Can you believe those? That is so detailed. And we have 3 oranges, which look like balls, but they're not, which I really like. And then we have 2 bunch of bananas, which I think is also adorable. I love all of these miniatures. And we have cutesy tiny little cabbages, yellow, actually capsicums. These are capsicums, I think. Yellow capsicums, beautiful. And this is cute too. Look, we got cabbages or lettuce. I'm not sure if it's cabbage, but yeah. And here we got the cute carton of eggs, which is adorable. Let's get the stickers. So here's the stickers. Absolutely love. If the stickers bended, yeah, just here we got a story which I'm going to read, and it's gosh. I get so mad when the stickers are not perfect, like so mad. Why is it cross? Okay, for some reason it's getting cross, which I don't like, but whoop. And you want to fit it right here. Don't get me wrong, I get mad at this. I think I'm gonna have to stop doing the stickers, and I'm gonna have to turn off the camera for this. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that, but I finally got this perfect. Continue. So I'm getting really confused right now. So I'm not sure if you put this one here or you put this one here, which looks like I need to put it here, but yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. Okay, still think this one goes here. I'm pretty sure it does, so yeah, I think I'm not wrong. So make sure it looks like this. Make sure you look like this. It says orange on it. Okay. Oh, that is pretty. Eensy beensy tiny one with the totals and 500 on it goes here, which is really hard to do because the cash register is built like that. So you really need to put it. Oh no, that's not good. Okay. I finally put that sticker inside. I was so mad that it wouldn't go in. I was so mad. Okay, so this thing goes right here. You need to do it like this. The back side doesn't really matter. Next, for the miniatures. I'm not gonna start off with the hardest ones because I think you guys are gonna be like, oh no, this one's hard. Please. And you want to take these small stickers right here. So remember this, guys. You really need to do this. So there. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. Yum. Do the same thing with the other tin. Front on the crinkly side. Put this side first. Okay? Please remember that. Oh no. And put this next. Please remember that because you can actually do this mistake a lot. So remember putting this side right here first and then putting this one. So yeah, do the same. Sorry. Okay, so you put this sticker, again, the front on the gloopy side. Put the ones that are plain on one side and then put the really perfect ones here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. Aww. So take these stickers for the small boxes. Oh my gosh, graham cracker time. So I think you're supposed to put this side on the plain side. Not sure, but think so. Okay, there. Next, put in these first and then 1, 2. Oh no. Okay, it's a little cross, but it's okay. I think it's supposed to be like that. I fixed it. I got another graham cracker. Next, the juice bottles. The orange juice, perfect for breakfast, by the way. Which is the front? Okay, I can't even talk. Okay, the bottle cap side, you have to put the big orange juice one here. Make sure you do it right, and put this one in, since it's plain. There. Oh no, it's perfect. And then fold this, fold that. Beautiful. More perfect. Let's do the next easiest one, the cereal boxes. I'm so excited for this one. Okay, what are those? I definitely love this. Orange juice with cereal. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Which one's the front side? Wait, is this the front? Or is this the one? Or is this the front? I think this is the front. Okay, take this or this side. I'm taking this side. Take it this way. Put the big side. Same thing again. Put the big side rightly. Next, put the bottom. Next, the sides. The top. And the bottom. Boom! We got another cereal box. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think you guys are gonna be so mad when you see this. This tiny credit card, I'm gonna have to put stickers on it. Oh no. You guys, I put it perfectly. How is that possible? Okay. Nice. Line on the top comes first. Okay. And put it right side up. Oh no, it's not sticking. There. Voila! We got a credit card, people. Guys, I finally put in these 2 stickers. Nice. Time to decorate our supermarket. The cash register. We're going to put that back in. Okay. So I want to put the cash register right here. Of course I do. Because that fits perfectly inside. There we go. Super cute. Let's put it right here. Why not? Let's put it here. Grocery things. And put it here. Put the bag. I think we'll put the bags here and the baskets here. Baskets. And the bags. Stack them. Opening. It's Rebecca. She owns the grocery store. You can put her right here. Close the doors. Here. Oh, those are perfect. 3 perfect apples. Capsicums. The yellow capsicums. Right here. You want to do them like they're real vegetables. Just or cabbages. Why not? And put them. Here, you can put it however you want. I'm kind of putting it in the box way. We'll put the oranges right here next to the cabbages. Cute. All the fruits on the top, all the vegetables in the bottom. Okay, so here we have the baskets, and we have Rebecca at the cash register, and with the carry bags, of course. And over here we have the food corner with the vegetables, fruits, milk, sweet corn, graham crackers, juice, and cereal, and eggs. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Turn on the camera for this.